I want to show you what I ordered. Fire High Definition 10 9th generation. Okay, this is what it is. Fire High Definition 10. Okay, with Alexa. Just go unbox this stuff and see what is inside. As usual, this is first impression. I like the Fire with Alexa. Here we go. The power. There we go. I think the box was a bit squashed by through the post. So this is the charger. Okay, this is the charger cable, and just bits and pieces information here, how to connect this. Okay, instruction, things to try Fire with. Okay, just information for you out there to see. Now this is bitten. This is an upgrade from previous Fire 7. Look at this gear. Okay, from what I can see, the first impression is very light and it's portable. I like this screen. Okay, right, so we turn this on, and so there's two speakers by the side, so we turn this on and off from here. Okay, so you increase the volume from this corner here. So we're going to put this on. Here we go. Okay, so from what we can see, this is various languages. Okay, so we have English for United States, UK, Canada, Dutch, various languages. Just need to choose. So from UK, right, United Kingdom. Now it says you need an internet. Skip. You can click skip setup. Skip the home, books, video, game, app, shop, music. You can see Amazon shop, skills, browse, app store, Prime Video, books, music, Amazon photo, games, offers, email, calendar, camera, doc, this document, contacts, map, settings, help, weather, clock, calendar, my videos, photo import and files. Basically go to the settings, and from the settings you can see first internet connection, Bluetooth, app, battery, high definition 10 with Alexa. That's 2 GB. Thank you very much indeed.